It started when a concerned driver called 911 to report a vehicle swerving wildly off the road and nearly causing a serious crash on the highway. When deputies located the vehicle, they witnessed it drift dangerously close to a guardrail before pulling it over. But what seemed like a straightforward traffic stop quickly turned into an uncooperative standoff.
She got the light said the passenger window just barely cracked.
Why would she not pull the window down? Why would she not roll the window down?
She's probably saying, "What?"
Does your window roll down, ma'am? Does the window roll down? Can you roll the window down, please, so I can talk to you?
2112.
I can't hear you. Okay, deputy.
Pine Lake.
Do what? I'm having a hard time understanding you. Your speech is very slurred.
04 Delta X-ray Alpha India. 04 X. Correction.
Okay. There's several things going on right now, I'm being honest with you. All right. We did get a call in about your vehicle driving recklessly. Deputy Hershey observed some reckless driving from you. There's indicators of possible something going on, impairment. All right, so right now, yes, this is a lawful order that we're giving you to exit the vehicle right now.
I'm sorry.
Okay, we're just asking you to step out of the vehicle. It is a lawful order. All right, we do have a right to do that. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Step out of the vehicle. Hold on.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car now.
Just step out.
Step out of the car.
Step out of the car.
Because you're not, and you went to go close the door.
Hold on.
Hey, I will comply.
Step out of the car.
And stop touching me.
Okay, step
No,
out.
step out of the car.
Stop touching me. Stop
That's
touching
not
me.
how it works.
That is how it works. Hey, why are you doing this?
Because you're not.
Okay, I'm going to close the door so she can't get in. All right,
Stand up and
What
walk
are you
back here.
doing?
stand up.
What are you
You're going
doing?
to walk back here to the patrol car.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Why is you touching
Let's just put her in handcuffs because I don't want to deal with potentially...
What are you
Against
doing?
the car, put your hands behind your back.
What?
I got this on 100%. Got her. Charlie 312 Figo. We have one that was resisting. We're getting in custody now.
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? You didn't do anything.
Okay, well, ma'am, we had asked you to exit the vehicle. We were telling you it was a lawful order. You weren't doing so. We don't know what's in that vehicle, all right? Knives, weapons, stuff to that nature. All right, and you're resisting our lawful orders, all right? So that's why you're in handcuffs right now, okay? All right, we are also doing an investigation of possible impaired driving.
I don't answer questions.
Huh?
And I don't answer questions.
that's
and
totally-
I don't consent to searches.
Okay.
I do not consent to searches.
All right, we're not...
I do not consent to searches, and I do not answer to questions.
Okay, the only thing I need an answer from, are you willing to perform field sobriety exercises to determine if you're able to safely operate a motor vehicle?
Sure.
You will? Okay.
That's what I need to do.
Well, I'm just asking you if you would consent to such.
Can you like not touch me?
No, ma'am, because you've been pulling away from us.
No.
All right, and resisting us and
you
stuff like
pulled
that.
me out of my vehicle.
Okay. All right.
I don't answer questions, and I don't consent to searches.
Okay. You don't answer questions and you don't consent to searches. Understood.
I am that is what American citizen does.
Okay.
Right? So please just get off of me.
Well, no, ma'am, right? I don't want you running into, I don't want you pulling into traffic. I don't want you going out into the street. I'm not saying that you will, but you've already resisted us, which is not a far-fetched idea to think that you could do that.
Lawfully.
Unlawfully?
Yes.
Okay.
Open my door. And, get off of me, please. Stop.
Well, it's not really the way it works. All right, Deputy Hershey is now going to gain control over you. I put on gloves. Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, stab me?
No,
Okay.
I don't.
All right, what I need you to spread your feet apart for me. Spread your feet apart. Thank you, ma'am. Can you get a light for me?
I do not consent to searches.
right, just checking to make sure you don't have any necklaces on, anything like that. Okay. All right, we're gonna walk here to the back of this patrol car.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
It's not an option.
It is an option.
Well,
Not an option, man.
How?
Because you're telling me to.
Because you're telling me so. I don't consent to searches.
alrighty. So the easiest way to do this is just turn around and put your butt in first. Now watch your head. I'm going to help you with your head so it doesn't get bumped. Put your butt in. Sit down on the seat. Sit on the seat.
Ma'am,
That
don't
way.
make this harder.
See, why are you making this for me?
Turn
Why are you
around.
doing this to me?
Put your feet in. Put
I
your
didn't
feet
do
in.
anything.
Put your feet in.
Put your feet in.
I'm not doing anything.
Put your feet in.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay.
I'm not doing anything. No, I'm not doing anything. Why are you like, why are you doing that?
It's not seat, but buckle there. Yeah.
I don't consent to searches, so if you search my car, if you search my car, I do not consent.
When deputies looked inside the vehicle, they discovered what was essentially an open container set up right at her feet. Sitting on the floorboard was a 12-pack of White Claw Surge, with 3 empty cans already drained, 5 unopened, and 4 completely missing. To make matters worse, sitting right within reach was a Wawa cup filled with ice and a liquid that carried a strong, overwhelming smell of alcohol.
Just that stuff that's in the seat on the other side. It does, doesn't it?
Huh?
Like the whole car.
Yeah, the whole car.
There's 2 blankets in a bag. We're covering up a case of White Claws that are mostly empty. White Claw Surges, so it's the higher alcohol ones. These are 8% alcohol by volume.
Hello, ma'am.
Please just let me go.
Why did we try to move our cuffs to the front? We got stuck.
What do you mean?
They're under your butt.
What do you mean what's under my butt?
Your handcuffs. You can't put them up front.
They're
You're trying to
not
escape
up front.
them.
They're
Okay.
not up front.
All right, we'll put them back behind your butt.
They're behind my butt.
All right, go ahead and get them back there.
See?
Don't fall.
Ow. Ow.
Yeah, that's what happens when you try to put them back there. They kind of doesn't work. All right, we're gonna have a seat in my patrol car. This way.
Can we please
This way.
just let me just go back to my house?
No, ma'am, that's not an option at this point in time. Okay.
Why?
Yeah, passenger side.
What is going on? Ow! Ow! Why are you making me trip? Why are you making me fall?
You're falling around.
No.
You got her, Miller?
I got you.
Okay, we're gonna need to walk, unfortunately, all the way past the door.
What's going on?
Come on,
Walk towards the people about, okay?
come on. Let's walk.
Walk this way.
What's going
No,
on?
we're gonna walk.
I'm like
Oh.
I'm mental.
You're mental. I got you.
It's okay.
I didn't do anything.
All right, turn around.
I didn't do anything.
You're gonna walk up here? We just got it. It's one of those.
Please,
Her?
please.
All right, put your butt in.
What's going
There you
on?
go.
Sit.
What's going
Sit down.
on? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? I don't even know what's going on. Why are you doing this? What did I do?
All right, we explained that to you already.
What did I do to do business?
Hey, how's it going?
It's not going good. It's not going good.
What's your first name, ma'am?
What is the matter with my person? Who cares?
Well, because I want to talk to you.
Because if people are trying to fight you, they're trying to take my kids away from me.
Catherine?
They're trying to take my kids away from me. What's going on? What's going on? What's happening to me? What's happening to me? What's going on?
Well, I can explain it to you if you can stop talking for a second. Can you hear me?
Why am I getting arrested? I'm not arrested. I'm a mental. I have mental problems.
You have mental? What kind of mental problems do you have?
I'm mental.
Okay.
So don't arrest me and take me to a mental hospital.
Okay. What kind of problems do you have? Well, I can't get you the kind of help I need you to get you if you can't tell me what the problem is. You know what I'm saying?
have mental problems.
Yeah, no,
I have conflicts.
Okay.
I've been trying to make it away here.
I can't understand what you're saying.
I haven't been able to talk to my children in over a year.
Well, that's very hard. I'm sorry to hear that.
And I'm going through a divorce.
Okay. That sucks.
My soon-to-be husband is trying to be out like a crazy person.
I don't think you're a crazy person.
So then why are you arresting me?
Well, we don't just arrest people for being crazy. That's actually not what we do at all.
Okay, so then why am I getting arrested for?
Well, when my deputies tell you that you have to do something, like get out of the car.
Okay, but as an American citizen,
Yes, ma'am.
do you have to get out of the car?
Yes. When the deputies give you a lawful order and they have a reason to get you out of the car.
But there was no reason.
No, their reason was that there's suspicion that you're driving under the influence of alcohol. So when they order you to get out of the car and you don't comply, that's what happens.
No, it's not.
Well, that's exactly what happened. So yeah,
That's
it
exactly
is.
what happened. Because it was unlawful.
It wasn't unlawful.
Yes, it was unlawful. I was unlawfully taken out of my car.
Okay. Well, you certainly have the right to challenge that in court when your court date comes. Okay. But
Okay, but why are you doing this to me? Because I am going under a mental.
well, going through a mental crisis does not allow you to violate the law. You understand that, right?
Violated the law.
You weren't driving drunk tonight?
No,
You haven't had anything to drink?
no,
Catherine. Really?
no.
Your eyes are bloodshot. You can barely finish a sentence. Their speech is slurred.
Oh, my speech is slurred. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I'm upset.
It's okay to be upset.
Okay, so then where's my field sobriety test?
Are you? We'll get there. Are you willing to participate in those?
You won't give me one. You won't even take me out of my handcuffs.
Well, no, you're not coming out of the handcuffs because you're under arrest.
What am I under arrest for?
You're under arrest right now for resisting. Because when my deputy...
What?
Resisting arrest. A lawful order from a law enforcement officer. That's, I just told you, that's what you're being arrested for.
Arrested for what?
Do you need any kind of help?
Mental health.
But you don't need any physical help? You're okay?
I need mental.
You need mental help?
I don't need
Okay.
to go and be arrested.
Well, let's see what kind of help we can get you,
I'm
okay?
almost like a medic. I'm almost like graduated to being in medical school.
Okay.
Why are you like, why? Why?
Okay. Well, I've already explained that once, okay? So as long as you're not hurt at all, I'm glad you're not hurt. I know you're dealing with some mental health issues, and I want to see you get some help for those.
So then why are you trying to arrest me when all that's going to do is to me more mental health?
Okay.
I don't even...
All right. Well, let me see what I can do, all right? Thanks, Catherine.
Deputies transported her to the inmate facility, where she refused all field sobriety tests and breath alcohol evaluations. She was officially charged with driving under the influence, resisting an officer without violence, and issued a citation for an open container. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.